scenic westerly views over the pond becoming part of your everyday routine, where sunset skies, sparkling water, and the natural beauty of the property creates a setting that feels like a true escape. Framed by oversized windows, this home brings in both long water views and the surrounding landscape, creating a peaceful connection to nature from nearly every angle. This is the kind of waterfront property that delivers the feeling of a year-round retreat while still offering the comfort, function, and flexibility buyers are looking for in a full-time residence. Outside, the lifestyle really takes center stage. The gazebo, tiered steps, pondside storage, a convenient drive-through window, and a floating dock with room for up to a 20-foot boat all come together to create a dream setting for water sports, summer entertaining, and easy days by the water. Whether you picture morning coffee with a view, afternoons on the pond, or evenings gathered with friends as the sun drops to the west, this home is built to take advantage of its most remarkable setting. Lovingly maintained and thoughtfully improved by the current owners, this home is designed for both relaxed living and memorable entertaining. Inviting gathering spaces make it easy to host family and friends, while cozy corners and quiet work-from-home areas offer the flexibility for everyday life. Layout is especially appealing for a wide range of lifestyles, with options for single-level accessible living that make the home welcoming and practical for owners and guests of varying needs and abilities. Thoughtful use of high-quality materials and automated systems adds ease of convenience, giving you more time to enjoy the property and less time worrying about upkeep. The barn provides excellent boat storage and extra space for equipment, gear, or recreational needs. Adding to the appeal is the private glacial silt beach, a rare and special feature that enhances the waterfront experience even more. Searching for a pond-front home with panoramic water views, outdoor entertaining spaces, boat access, and flexible year-round living, this property offers a rare combination of beauty, practicality, and lifestyle. With town amenities and schools just a short distance away, it blends privacy and recreation with everyday convenience in a way that's hard to find.